How to apply for a Capital One checking account online? Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now search for capitalone.com. You will land to the official website of Capital One. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Head towards the option of checking and savings. Tap on the option checking. Now over here you're gonna find checking account options. You can choose the one that is suitable for you. I'm gonna choose this one, Money-Teen Checking. Click on Open Account. Do you already have a Capital One login? If you have it, you can click on the option of yes. If you don't have, you can click on the option of no. And with that, you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to fill this online application. You have to provide all the details of yourself. That includes your personal info, contact info, likewise employment info and some additional info. Also, you have to agree with the terms and conditions of the bank. After you provide all the details, you can click on the option of submit, and with that you will be good to go. Once you submit your online application and after it verifies all of your details, your account will be created and it will provide you with all your banking details such as account number, password and other relevant informations. So this was all for this video. This is how you can apply for Capital One checking account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.